Okay, to get the front wheel off, you gotta jiggle this plastic cap off by hand, and underneath that is a cotter pin and a bolt. So I'm gonna take that off. Okay, there's no bolt. Once you get the cotter pin out, this washer comes off, and hopefully this wheel will come off. Okay, the wheel slid right off, and you see there's a bushing here I gotta pull out, and there's also this bushing over here I gotta pull out. Okay, I got this side pounded in, and I just greased it up inside. Uh, there is a place for the grease gun to squirt some grease in. Okay, I finally got this out. I just had to grab the edge with the pliers and keep spinning the wheel and pulling the edge up. It was kind of hard to get. To get this side in, I needed to put a block of wood on top and hammer the wood. Okay, it's in. Now grease that up. Okay, I'm gonna sand this spindle. It's real rough and everything. Get that cleaned. Okay, I've got that all cleaned and greased up, and I'm gonna put the wheel back on and do the other side. Okay, I'm on the left side now. I just wanted to show you how this wheel, see the play in it. That's the bushings there, and that's why I'm changing them out. These cotter pins are old, and you basically can just bend this piece back and forth and it'll break off. Okay, that other side's kind of hard to get off, so I got a 16mm socket. I'm just going to use that to hammer. Okay, it came right out, so that's a little bit quicker way of doing it. Okay, I wanted to show you this grease fitting. Mine were stopped up. I thought my grease gun was broken, but I took the tip off and it squirted grease just fine. So I didn't realize they do go bad, especially the cheaper ones. So this one was highly recommended. I'll put a few links in the description.